the rain stop. It's still cloudy, but what I'm most interested about. So I'm going to head back over. Oh, alright guys, welcome back to LaMaNDi Island Vlogs. Before me even ready from the last video, there was a knock on the door and them reached with the food. Believe that? Alright, so I'm going to be showing you, Maroons, what I'm going to be eating for dinner. Alright, so in the box here, I have a burger and fries. Looking so lovely. Burger and fries and a pizza here. So it's a cheese pizza and I asked them to add sausage to the top. So this should serve me through the night into tomorrow morning. Let's see how best we can like play this out. Try to keep this as one. Nice. Nice burger. Okay, yeah, so here it is. Alright, so before I eat, I'm running downstairs to get some juice, because water not gonna cut it. I have to get some juice at the main office. So yesterday when we come later, did I wait for? Oh, that's nice. I'm not lie. Sorry if I seem like a bother. Call every minute.
Oh no, that's good man.
Yeah. That's nice though. Alright, thanks.
Yeah, man.
Yesterday I reached late in the night, right? So what I just learned just now is that the young lady was supposed to leave at 5. But because they know that we were on the way from in the morning, she actually stayed an hour and a half past her time to go home just to wait on. Dip the fries in there.
So how's your first day going?
Yeah, I know it's just fries and mayo, but I'm really hungry because the last I ate was breakfast. That was, I think, about 2 videos ago. So yeah, as I put the ketchup in this, there's all of this in here, so. This is the part I've been waiting for. Burger. Been waiting for this. Where Maroons look? Maroons look. The old man said, I got greens, tomatoes. Oh, not tomato tonight. But this is really good. Look how thick the patty is. Trouble. Wait. I'm gonna light it up for now. What's that? Nice. Look at that. Clean. Just clean up. That was really good. 10 out of 10. The burger, nice. Yeah, my stomach is full. And see, rain start fall again. The only problem I have is that there's not a sink in the kitchen, so kinda hard to do the dishes.
8 hours later.
Yeah, it's 1:37 and I'm hungry.
Oh God, damn, you made me feel sweet. And if I'm losing my mind, would you lose yours with me? You made me wanna melt like butter in the pan. It's hard to keep my cool, knowing I'm your man. So let's spend some time wasting it away.
Is it almost I say home can so it's extremely late. If you've been watching this Airbnb series, you know that in the bathroom has the best lighting. Has the best lighting in the whole room. So I'm just going to wrap up the video here. Thank you guys for supporting the videos. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing. You can check out the previous videos. I'll have them on the screen at the end of the video so that you can check it out. And remember, in everything you do, my rules, be patient, exercise humility, and always be consistent. So that's patience, humility, and consistency. I'll see you in the next video.
Hear the man. Cleat so you towel and
In
everything
no time, we gon' be right back. Right by my side. It's been a ride, hold me up. Guess you need the Lord's to know you're up.
Watch it. Specs. Yo, what are we doing?